So next topic we'll be seeing about the features of culture. Okay, so what how the culture has been said, like culture is abstract. Abstract is nothing but existing in thought or as an idea. How culture it is. So culture means the lifestyle of a social group. So they says as it is a lifestyle of social group. Okay, so the accepted way of life is carried from one generation to the another generation. Like we are following what our father did, right, and what our grandfathers did. So it's a like an hierarchy part which we are following generation by generation. So this process of shifting remains abstract, that is it is a thought. Okay, so hence culture is abstract. Okay, culture is social. So how they have been said, culture is not personal, right, it is not personal, it belongs to everyone. So it means sharing a community's way of life, food, dress, rituals, and living with them. Hence culture is social. So culture, it depends upon the every human beings whoever living in this society. Okay, so culture is learnt. So how it has been learnt. So culture does not come from birth, right, so it does not come when we born. It's not the origin of culture, right, so it is not a nature made either. So this gets formed in the interactions. So this gets formed in the interactions with various members of the society. So thus they have said that culture is learnt from the various members who are living in the society. Okay, so this means a child receives culture through the process of socialization. So when he goes out and behaves with other persons, he used to know about the cultures of the other person. Okay, so behaviors learnt through the interactions with various people. Discussion is called culture. Okay, so children learn from teachers, from elders in the house, and they also learn from friends. So what they are saying, that culture is learned not only as an individual part, but it has been learned from the society. Okay, so then the fourth point they have given over here is the culture means coexistence. How it has been set as coexistence, we will see in that point. So culture provides opportunities to every individual to share his ideas with others. Okay, so culture will be growing as we share the ideas with others. So thus culture assures sharing opportunities. So this ensures sharing of traditions, values, knowledge, beliefs, and other aspects necessary human existence. Okay, so while we share all these things, we will be knowing about the culture of different human beings. So the fifth point they have been given over here is the culture is continuous. Okay, how they have been given continuous. So every culture grows imbibing new aspects into it. Imbibing means observing. Okay, so though art, imagination, rules, and regulations get formulated into a complex environment. Okay, so it sustains itself with minor changes. So they are been there, but there will be a slight changes over there, but the culture was continuous over from the generation to generation. Okay, so sixth point which they have been given is the culture is diverse. So every social group has its own culture, right? So hence culture is not uniform. So it is not an uniform, it differs according to the different religions in the society. Aspects of culture like customs, moral values, art, belief, language differ from society to society considerably, as I already said. So the difference is also visible in rural, urban, and the tribal societies. In food habit, the difference is visible when compared South Karnataka with North Karnataka. So as I said that it differs from the places to places too. So not only this, even people living in the same place tend to have different culture. Achieving unity in this diversity is important. So what they are saying, though the culture difference differs from the places or differs from the society of the people, but there must be a unity among them. Okay, so the next part which we will be seeing is about the importance of culture. Culture is treasure of knowledge. Culture provides the knowledge needed for social and physical existence of human beings. Okay, so how it has been given as a treasure. Treasure is nothing but precious value. Okay, so culture is a precious value of knowledge. Animals survive and get adjusted with their natural environment with the help of instincts. Instinct is nothing but the natural tendency how they behave in a particular way. Okay, so human beings have to utilize their learned knowledge in order to survive. Okay, so without knowledge the person cannot able to survive in this society. And they have given that language is a part of culture. Okay, as there are many religions and different in this society, there are many languages which they were following. So it is also a part of the culture. Okay, so the future generation is guided by the present generation using language as a tool. So they uses language as one of the tool. Okay, so the present and the past knowledge is stored in the form of proverbs, paintings, folk songs, writings, and passed on to the next generation either orally or by written text. So they, how they have been mentioned in the earlier to the current situation is that by the form of proverbs, paintings, the folk songs, and some of the writings which they have been written or orally said. Okay, so the based on these instructions the future generation forms its own culture and marches into the future. So by having those writings or the orally text, the future generation will follow the past generations culture activities. So the hence the culture is not only a bundle of tradition, it is also a treasure of knowledge needed for social development. Okay, so it is a precious values which have been following from generation to generation in this society. So the second point which they have been given is the culture explains the situation. Culture explains the situation of a particular period of time. That means it states what particular period how the people were there and what are the cultures they have been following. So the studies of culture reveal the evolution of human society in relation to the contemporary situation, that is the development of the human society from the earlier stage to the current modern situation. The caves and the architecture of the temples in and around Aihole and Badami of Bagalkote district reveal the progress of the human society of that particular period. Okay, so from this itself we can say that how the culture and the people were there in the Bagalkote district. Okay, so the third point which they have been given is the culture defines the values. Value is a tool that analyzes the attitudes, behavior, and thoughts of a particular society. Okay, so how it values, how the people attitudes were there, how they were behaving in the particular society. So the value advocated by our constitution seeks equality. So there must be an equality among the people, right? So the people are expected to live without discrimination based on caste, greed, and language. So there must not be any discrimination. So there must not be any domination of any caste, and they must not be greedy over their religion. So this value orientation creates a thought process. Orientation is nothing but the direction. Okay, so this thought process builds up a set of attitudes among the people. Okay, so the hence culture has the capacity to strengthen the human relationships. Okay, so though they have been said that culture defines the values of the people. Culture explains behavioral models. So, culture provides the aims and the means to achieve them to human society. So, it supports those behaviors that are complementary to society aims. That means what they are, which are supporting to the societal aims. Similarly, it punishes those behaviors that are against the societal aims. So, it even punish those behaviors which have been followed by the human beings in this societal aims. So the correction done by the teachers and the elders whenever undesirable behaviors happen in the children is an example of this process. So if the children is doing an unwanted thing which is not suitable to this society, the teacher and the elder may rectify his behavior. Okay,